What is up, you guys? I am back with yet another tutorial. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this style with a quick weave, keep watching. I was sent 3 26-inch body wave bundles by Julia Hair. Y'all, this is my first time since my big chop putting in any type of bundles that's not naturally curly. So I'm actually really excited to see how this is going to come out.
Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels.
I'm starting off with my hair already sectioned. I got the back all braided up for my quick weave, and at the top we are doing rubber bands. Yay! If you guys want a detailed tutorial on how I do my sections and how I place what where as far as the top and the rubber bands go, I do have another tutorial on my channel for you guys to check that out. I'll leave that link down below. But for time purposes, I'm just going to speed through this section of the tutorial. Like I said, if you guys want a more detailed video on how I do my partings, I will link that video down below. I got my two sides all sectioned off. Don't mind my middle part is a little crooked. I'm going to use my black stocking cap and my bond protector shield. This is going to protect your natural hair from getting any type of hair glue on it. You don't have to use this. I know some people use the Got2b spray, the blast spray. I know some people just put the glue on their hair, but who wants to go through the hassle of pulling glue out of your hair for hours and hours and pulling a comb back and it's a wad of hair and glue stuck to it? I've been there, done that. It's not cute and it's not fun. Save yourself the stress and the time and just go ahead and get this. It comes out like a breeze. I do have a tutorial on my channel of how to take it out. Literally just put your head under the water and it'll slide off. It does come with two, but of course we're only going to use one because we're not doing all that. So I'm going to pretty much just speed through this part. I will tag a more detailed quick weave on how to actually apply the bond protector shield down below for you to check that out. So it is the next day. I went ahead and did my makeup and everything. The back is all dry, so I'm just gonna cut the cap off now.
I need to get away.
All of these bundles are the same length, so it doesn't really matter which one I put in first. I really don't think I'm gonna even use all of them, but we'll see. Bundle's really soft. I will say it is kind of thin. It is kind of small, so I might use all 3 packs. I don't know. I got my Salon Pro 30-second super hair bond glue. I will be linking all of the products and tools that I use down in the description below if you guys want to check that out. I'm gonna try to double up these tracks so that I'm not sitting here forever gluing and gluing. And by double up, I mean just what it sounds like. Put glue on both of these at once and just put it on my head in doubles so it'll fill up faster. Because I am doing no leave out, I'm just angling my tracks in a U shape so that they fall over each other and it'll camouflage the tracks. It's so so soft. Do I even want to straighten it? Should I straighten it? I might have underestimated these bundles. It's looking full already. I don't know. Let's keep going. On to bundle number 2. Now that I'm at the top and things are starting to look a little more uniform, let me show y'all what I mean when I say placing the tracks in a U shape. I'm going to keep placing my tracks in that U shape, and once I get to the point where the U is about an inch wide, I'm going to start taking little tiny pieces of tracks and just laying them up until I get all the way at the top. Now I'm at the point where I'm gonna start laying my tracks just across. The very, very top, I'm going to measure out the space with my track. So from there to there. Instead of placing it in the direction we've been placing it, it's going to go the opposite direction. So it's going to fall over this way like a bang. I'm just going to wait for the glue to get a little tacky so that track isn't slipping and sliding. I want it to go directly where I place it. Now you're going to take either a hot comb, blow dryer, some type of heating tool. All right, so I got my wand, and I'm first going to make sure that the glue is nice and dry and everything is tacked down. It is nice and flat now. All right, so then I'm just going to take this track and flip it over. Wax stick and my hot comb. Just to help with the flyaways. And to help flatten it out a little bit more. And track wear. And you can always, if you feel like it's not camouflaging enough, or if you feel like it's spacey, or you can still see the track through the hair, you might want to add another one. Pinch off a section. Rubber band goes in that split. Just like that. This ties around.
Trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this.
I don't plan on having this in for a long time, so that's why I'm doing it this way. But if you're looking for longevity, I definitely would do the glue method with the hair glue.
Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house, it's not a home where
wanted to use my blast spray and my toothbrush just to smooth out my band that I wrapped around, just to make sure there's no flyaways and everything's sticking down. I went ahead and just like wand curled it to give it that wave, not a curl but like more of a wave. I love it. It's giving 90s. It's giving all that. This is look how shiny and silky it is. This is so soft, and it didn't even really shed. Mind you, I cut the wefts, and y'all know when you cut the wefts on the tracks, the hair sheds more. It did shed a little bit, but like I said, it's because I cut it. But other than that, it's not shedding. And I said, like, at first the bundles were like thin. It must have been an illusion or something. I don't know. I haven't touched bundles in a minute though, so maybe that was on me. I have not touched straight bundles in a minute. I've been so natural for so long. I still got like a whole half of a bundle left, so this hair is pretty full. Let me know what y'all think of this down in the comment section. Let me know if y'all end up trying this out yourselves. Of course, you know, let me know if you guys have any questions, concerns, or comments. Put that in the comment section, and as always, I got y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will see y'all in the next video.